Go.
Hi, and thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel. This is a detailed video to show you how to use a multi-lift with a collapsible easy base to get into a wheelchair where the dimensions of the wheelchair are such that it will not fit with the easy base going in the front. So you can go in the side. This doesn't work for every chair. You need to work with your Access Unlimited sales staff to figure out if this is going to work for your needs or not. But anyway, this is the way to do it. So we actually just go forward, we go over the side of the wheelchair. Obviously you're going to need to remove the armrest. You're going to move over so that this is centered on the wheelchair. Okay, and we simply pick up the, this is a special swing arm here. It's called an institutional swing arm. We then move the person sideways, pick up the legs to go over the front. Okay. And we go right down here. You may not release the motion limiter unless the person is over the wheelchair for safety reasons. So we line them up in the wheelchair right here. Okay. Once they're down, we're going to release. Okay. All right. Now, we're going in the other direction here. Bring that right in. Reconnect. Raise. Make sure that everything's connected. Once we get so that we're up, so that the bottom clears the wheel of the wheelchair. Okay, up and over. Now we're going to rotate just like this. Lock in place. And go in this direction. Thanks for watching our detail video. Please contact us at 607-669-4822 to get some further information. This is not guaranteed to work for every situation. It has to be studied on a case-by-case basis, but it is a great solution. You can contact us at accessunlimited.com or on YouTube at youtube.com/accessun, where you probably found this. You can contact us on Instagram at Access Unlimited, Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Follow us on Twitter at Access Unlimited. And evenings and weekends, you can reach us at 1-615-873-0518. Thanks for watching our video, and have a great day.